Would you 3, 2, 1? Let's welcome back to the wait. Mic is on, recording is on, screen is share, and I'm moving here. So welcome back to the daily review. So we literally have like a nearly 10 minutes in our hand. Not even 10. 8 minutes in our hand to finish the daily review. So this is in progress. I mean, this is crazy. So daily review should be type in over here. This is beautiful. So I have finished the yesterday's tasks, and that is what I wanted to add up on. So table table, which is going to be database. Pretty much you won't be able to understand what I'm actually doing, but once you understand, you understand. uh, just a second, I will just shift this camera over here. So this is the daily review of, this is what the plan looks like. So 7th and then 8th. Oopsie doopsie, I have done the task here. So the task's name, it is 23. When it was scheduled in a 23. Okay, and the task's name was, what was the task name? 23. This 16 Feb to 20 to March, which I have all. Yes, have I done it? Absolutely yes. So have I done it? Yes. Process completed. It is also completed, and it's also completed. Is completed, and this is also completed. We are absolutely completed. So now today's task is going to be. I mean, this is fucking daily review, man. I just wanted to review. Have I done the today's tasks? Have I done the task which is assigned today? So I'm going to do the daily review of tomorrow. Like for today's task, because for today's daily review, I'm going to do the daily review of today's, when today's day is going to finish, which is tomorrow. I'm going to do the daily review of today. So the same way, today I'm going to do the daily review of yesterday, because yesterday day is finished. Today day is haven't finished yet. So yeah. So yeah, this is it. I mean, this is it. I mean, we like now. If we finish like this and then this 26 and 30 January, and then probably so this is also going to get finished pretty much soon, and then this is as well. I think so. I will be able to finish all of this within tomorrow. Tomorrow, yeah. So tomorrow I will be able to finish all of this. So yeah, this is what the daily review is. Today I have in my plate 2 February to 6 February, that particular week. I want to analyze that the whatever I predicted, I'm missing the treats. So how I can enter to in that type of market. So that is what the daily review looks like. Yeah, this is what it is. Signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead. Peace. Like what is the main importance of the daily review? Why I'm doing this? Because I just wanted to do the daily review. That have I done the today's task? If yes, awesome. If no, then why? And come back to the track again. Because the task is not finished, that means I'm getting out of my plan of my goal. My goal has been divided into the sub tasks, and the task is scheduled today or tomorrow, day after tomorrow, so daily wise. So if I have I done it, awesome. Have I not done, I'm going out of my plan. Then I'm just going to shift to my plan. So this is awesome. You also implement this exact same thing. So like signing off. Now it's time to record the trade recap after this video. Signing off.